it's Brian Hagenhoff, and I wanted to come show you something that I learned this year and how to download albums super quick without having to save each individual picture at a time. So if you go to Google, it does have to be on Google Chrome because it's like an app with Google Chrome, and so you will type in down album. You'll click on that down album, Google Chrome. It's already loaded on my computer, so I'm not sure that it's going to. Okay, so then there should be like a download button. Mine says remove from Chrome. I do not want to remove mine. So I want you guys to just download this down album on Google Chrome. And then on Facebook, you will go into, so I'm going to use this one as an example. You go into Photos, go into Albums. Again, make sure you have that downloaded first. And say you want to save all of the muscle tanks. And I actually need to do this, so I'm going to go over here. So once you have it downloaded, it's going to be a little icon right here. As if you hover over it, it's going to show you down album. So click on down album. You're going to click normal, and it's going to say loading 67 of 67 or however many pictures you have, and then there's going to be a screen just like that pops up. If you are on a Mac, you're going to do Command S. If you are on a regular PC, you're going to press Control S, and then it's going to come up and you decide where you want to put your picture. So I'm downloading the muscle tanks, so I'm going to go find my muscle tanks folder. There it is. And I'm going to click Save. Oh, I already did it. Okay, we'll replace it so you guys can see it. It's almost done. You can see there it's done. Okay, so then if I go into my folders, and I'm going to go to my muscle tanks folder that I have created. Click on this little file folder right here, and there's all of those that were in that Facebook album. Isn't that awesome? Makes it so much easier than saving each individual picture. So I hope that helps you, and if you have any questions, let me know.